Yo, what's that? What's up, everyone? Today we're gonna be playing Roblox again, another gaming video. I'm playing this game, Burger King. Let's see. We got a senior crew member here. I'm gonna order some food. Let's see, what can I get for you? Yo, I just want a plate of ketchup. No, can I get some ketchup? Ketchup. I just want ketchup. I just want some ketchup.
I'm saying I want Patrick.
No, we don't have that, bro. Bro, you can order ketchup, can't you?
We don't have them here.
Wait. I'm vegetarian. What can I get?
This is BK.
Oh, a veggie burger, bet. Okay. I'll take a beef burger.
Give me twice.
I just said I'm vegetarian. What kind of food can I get? And I just go, I'll take a beef burger. Do I just hold up my plate and get the food? Yo, I'm stuck. I'm stuck. Yo, I'm stuck. Yo, someone help. Yo, you gave me a veggie burger. I asked for a beef burger. I'm stuck. Ah. Yo, this man actually just gave me a veggie burger, bro. I mean,
I asked for a baby food.
you asked for baby food?
Mhm.
Bro, I asked for a beef burger and I got a veggie burger. Like, yo, trainee. Yo, hello, bro. Hey, I'm talking to you. Trainee, hello. Hello. Connor, I'm trying to talk to this person. Do you mind? I'll take a plate of ketchup. Take a plate of ketchup. Take a plate of ketchup. Is that fine? Can I get a plate of ketchup? She said okay, let's go. I'm getting me a plate of ketchup, come on. Oh my. I'm trying it out. Oh. Nope. Wait, yes. And cheese. Jacob, stop. Just stop. I'm not futuristic Santa, okay? Is something wrong with my face? Is there something wrong with my face? Wait, I just turned around. Oh, Or there's an alien in my face. That's it. Yo, did I get my? Did I get my ketchup in? What can I get if I'm a vegetarian? What can I get if I'm a vegetarian? Oh, don't accuse cats. Okay, can I still get a? Can I still get a? What can I get? No, I'm done. What can I get? It's if I'm a vegetarian. Oh yes. What can I get if I'm a vegetarian? I need to know. Okay, I'll just get ketchup. Burgers is bad. I just want my ketchup. Bro, I just want ketchup. I'm leaving this. This is the trash Burger King. Get me out of this chair. This Burger King is bad. They won't give me any ketchup, bro. I just want ketchup.
Let's play Jacob's game now.
Yo, I'm done with this game. I'm done with this game.
I'm gonna kill Santa because I say eyes up here.
Alright, so what are we playing? What are we playing now?
My guard.
What's it called?
I'm scared. We'll join Connor.
Alright, I'm gonna join Connor.
Do one that's good for mobile too, Connor. Huh? Do one that's good for mobile too.
Yeah, get a mobile game. I don't know what game we're gonna do. Oh, he's in a game.
Can I go on the Xbox now? You know the rules, and so do I.
Oh my, what are you playing?
Wait, your parents were Jacob's home?
Escape the Butcher Man. Go. I am.
You're not?
I am. See? Oh. Okay, I'm in.
Okay. Get back in Roblox.
Yo! What? Yes, I purchased a premium couch for free. Is that it?
Yeah. That's the whole entire game.
Is this the whole game? Let's go.
No, the whole game. You go into these games.
There's a dog.
Escape Butcherman games. It's in the arcade.
Oh, okay, let's go.
And you need to
Oh
get
my.
in front of them.
That's a big cat. Oh my gosh. What is this?
Go inside the door.
Thank you.
Get in front of the game.
I gotta get the tickets. Welcome.
That's the Butcherman.
Aren't you going to catch the cat? No, this place. Nah, that will get to this. That I don't even know. I don't even want to read what he said.
I'm gonna go in my office now.
There's a Jacob only. What?
Owner on the door and brothers only. Owner's brother only and our good friends only office.
Where's my office?
You don't get an office. You need to play this game more and be awesome.
Yo, I'm playing Catch Those Kittens.
I'll play that game with you. Maybe we could put you.
Oh yes.
into an office.
I'm catching them. It doesn't do anything. Oh. Oh, bro, I gotta get him to the. What am I doing? I can't even move the ball.
Somebody hacking me?
I can't even move the ball, bro.
Ah, someone's hacking me.
Gotta capture the butcher. No, go in.
What?
I'm so bad at this. Oh. Bro. Let's go.
I can't play that game with you.
Alright. This has been the most weird episode ever. Alright. I guess we just. I want to play a little bit of build a boat for treasure before we have to finish this episode. So I'm gonna load it up. Okay.
Okay. I guess we could.
Oh, you're loading it. You're loading in.
I could fly with you.
All right, I'm gonna load in, guys. Okay. So here we have it. Oh my! We have a flying house here that we made. See, we kind of ran out of bricks a little bit, but here we are. Let's see if we can make it to the end.
Yeah.
With this
Giant
contraption.
Yeah.
He said it's kind of hard to fly. I'm gonna click on this engine. It's hard to tell. Jacob just fell off. He just jumps off. Bro, that's so bad, bro. I just fell off. Jacob just falls off. We spent so long in this thing. Oh my! Oh my gosh.
Oh, you gotta fly.
A flying car.
Flying house, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
That's awesome.
Ah!
Wouldn't it be nice if we could do that?
Yes. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. You got this, Connor.
Who's driving it?
Me.
Oh my god. We're in trouble now.
Uh-oh.
Oh no.
I'm actually pretty good at driving
Oh, are you?
couches.
Good.
At driving couches.
Are we glitched?
Yep. Oh! Uh-oh.
Oh no, bro. Oh, whoa, bro, I just went so high.
Well, there you have it.
I'm just gonna reset real quick. I don't exactly know what's going on here, guys. I have no idea what's going on here. But I'm very scared. Oh, oh my, the engine. No. We're just falling. I think we're gonna end the episode there, guys. Thanks for watching. It's your boy Logan with Rocket, Spacey, and Jacob. We're out.